Hey guys, wonder what I've been up to? Well, a lot. I had a bunch of school, I was in some graduate classes, but I've got a bunch of work done on the Grand National in the meantime. I just have been working with little increments of time, so haven't had the chance to like set up my camera and do videos for everything. But let me show you around what I'm working on, and let's see. And I did get a new camera, little one, so that I don't have to use my phone. So it should be less setup. Should just be able to clip it on my hat or whatever, and that should make things easier going forward. Right now, a lot's taken apart, but it's all about to go back together. Let me show you what I'm up to.
Here you can see the radio bezel that I've been working on, and here is the completely removed instrument cluster setup, which has been hacked to pieces by previous owners. This is a wiring harness that they had made, and I did a lot of work to clean this up. Here you can see how I built this to hold a single DIN chassis double DIN screen head unit. This had an aftermarket stereo in it when I got it.
Alright, here's the new instrument cluster. I 3D printed this. It's still got most of the same video gauges. I switched out to a GPS. Speedometer, there's a reason for that, but I don't want to get into it. Anyway, I put in these LED indicators. I printed this dummy light holder. Everything's wired up on the back. I put some nifty plugs there so I can't mess it up. I put my clock up here. I got one of these scan gauges now, and then I've got a new boost gauge from Glow Shift here. I got rid of the gauges that were here. I 3D printed this whole surround so that I could fit a double DIN in here without having to cut into the car. If you want information about that, like, comment, subscribe, and drop me a line, and I'll show you how I did it. I even have the STL file that I used for it. Same thing with this. I have the file for this. And the way it works is with the cutout that I did, this line here where I had to join it together, you don't see it because this goes over it. And then here, the only part that's really showing is this one in between these gauges. So, yeah, let me get this all installed. I mean, as you can see, I got the little plugs in here. Everything's wired up. I got to clean it up some more, but once I get it cleaned up, I get everything in. I did make this piece. It's all 3D printed. This is to give it something to mount to up top and to hold this piece because this had all been cut away behind on my car. So, as you can see, this had all been cut out. All the part that went behind the original gauge cluster. So I couldn't go with original gauges. I have them, but I couldn't install them. Don't worry about the wiretaps there. That's for these guys. That's not a big deal. I do have to reinstall my OBD connector and put some stuff back together, but yeah, let me get this all buttoned up. This is a little Carlin kit dongle so I can have wireless. This didn't come with wireless, but I got it really cheap on eBay. The Kenwood came out, so I put a Kenwood back in. I'm trying to think. I'll get to showing you guys around what I did on the frame. The frame's all done. Yeah, the frame's all done. All right.
This got to be really disappointing here because I got everything put back together and it all looked really good. And then I tested the lights and found that the left turn signal wasn't working. It was a simple fix. One of the connectors wasn't plugged all the way up. It did require me to take it all the way back apart to fix it. And I don't show any of that, but yeah, at the end of this, I was way more disappointed than I probably needed to be, and I probably should have checked it before buttoning everything all the way up. But yeah, just FYI. That right there.